Do I look like...
I'm back.
Seja muito feliz com a escolha dela.
Oh my God, does she...
You guys, get out of the way! It's the Lord!
I have banana peel on the ground. I'm gonna see if it's really slippery like it is in the cartoons.
Is it real?
Don't do that. You do it again, you're gonna get cut. Stay away, you know.
You are unattractive in the face region. You are your father's offspring because he is ugly as well. Dab.
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
Air horn prank.
Did someone say something?
I had a grat Tim when I was chickacret. I had lots of a mock-up on my face.
Stopper gives you all your daily nutrients, like 0 grams of trans fat, and oh my god, cholesterol.
Hey, Caitlin.
Hey. Round and around and around.
And around and around. I like this game.
I'm gonna eat you. Oh my god, Sylvia. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Sylvia.
My go ahead. Girl, come see this. They got a ramen noodle exhibit. You know that's your favorite. Be careful, children. That's a lot of sodium.
We're back, suck in.
Just remember, no one will ever be able to hate you more than you already hate yourself.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices.
She's such a snake.